Since established in 1996, Center has been dedicated to the machinery industry for over 25 years. Being a leading manufacturer of vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, gantry machining center, engraving and milling machine, drilling and tapping machine center, and vertical milling machine. Center has a complete industrial chain of designing, manufacturing, selling and after-sales servicing with certifications of High-Tech Enterprise of China and High-Tech Little Giant Enterprise of China. By far, Center has a production scale of more than 5,000 sets of conventional vertical milling machines and 1,000 sets of CNC machining centers per year. Under the core value of respect, integrity, innovation, and cooperation, Center keeps developing in technology and service to ensure the clients receive the best industrial solutions. The headquarters of Center in Putian City covers an area of more than 645,000 square feet, with more than 430,000 square feet of advanced plants. Total investment in producing equipment is exceeding $12 million. Meanwhile, the Center technical team, with more than 100 technicians, cover the fields of designing, machining, scraping, spray painting, assembly, and after-sales services. The development of technology is on the top priority of Center. With dozens of patents, all products from Center have been granted mainstream certifications such as ISO 9001 and CE. Besides the selling network of Center all over China in major provinces and cities, Center has received orders for more than 15 countries. At the same time, Center has a complete customer support network and service system, providing clients with turnkey solution service and 7x24 hours after-sales service for spare parts, technical support, and maintains. The turnkey solution service from Center is designed for customized demand of clients. Dozens of patents from Center in clamps and technological equipment bring a complete set of solutions, including stages of equipment selection, process plan, tooling design, tool selection, and processing verification. This service can be offered according to characteristics of the customer's production process, requirements of customer's production capacity, and investment plan to assist customers in improving production capacity and quality of products. In the future, Center is committed to empowering the industries, including but not limited to new energy, military, consumer electronics,